Welcome to the VoxSMS Quick Start Guide, presented by Voxtelesys. This video is part 1 in a series of videos on VoxSMS. In this video, we'll be presenting the Conversations feature in the VoxSMS web application. The mobile app has similar features to the web application. The web application just has more features. You can use the mobile app with either your iOS or Android device. The mobile app can be found in the App Store and the Google Play Store. To use the web application, go to sms.voxtelesys.net. If you do not have a login, you'll need to contact Voxtelesys to get set up. The Voxtelesys support phone number is 701-929-9797, and the support email is support@voxtelesys.com. You'll receive a Welcome to VoxSMS email from the support@voxtelesys.net email address. From here, you can click on Confirm your account and set your password. Once your account is set up, you can now log into your account. From the VoxSMS dashboard, click on Conversations. On the top right corner of the browser window, click on New Conversation. You can either enter a phone number or you can search your contacts. For the purposes of this video, we're going to type in a phone number as we do not have any contacts set up yet. Once you compose a conversation, the number you enter will be added to your contacts. You can compose your SMS message in the text bubble. To send the message, you can either click on the paper airplane icon or by pushing the Shift and Enter keys at the same time. The other conversation features include Upload Picture, Canned Responses, and Apply Drip Campaign to Contact. We'll go over the canned responses and drip campaign features in future videos. To upload a picture, click on the camera icon. From here, you can browse your files to find the photo you wish to send. The JPEG, GIF, and PNG file formats are supported. If you wish to add a caption, you can add it here. If you have many conversations to sift through, you can click on the Search Conversations search bar. Enter the full name of your contact. In this case, it's a phone number. However, if you navigate to Contacts, you'll see that the full name is saved as the phone number by default. Navigate to the Conversations tab again. You can hover over Action on individual conversations. From here, you can choose to archive or delete history. If you choose to archive a conversation, you can search by name to view the conversation. If you choose to delete your history, be careful as your conversation will be permanently deleted. Congratulations! You've now completed the Conversations portion of VoxSMS. Our next video will demonstrate the Contacts feature. Make sure you subscribe for more guides with Voxtelesys as we're continually adding new content.